Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. This is a quote by Dan Zanger. Surround yourself with people who believe you can. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 64, NASDAQ up 24, S&P's up 11.5, gold contract up $1.70, trading at $1,196 an ounce. Silver up 12 cents at $16.06 an ounce. Platinum down $2 at $1,198 an ounce. $2 over gold. Interesting. Copper up 3.5 pennies at $2.90 a pound. Light sweet crude up $3.39, trading at $57.58 a barrel. Bonds. The 10-year is up 6 ticks at 126.22. 10-year rejected lower price again. Had lighter volume. Goes topside. 30-year, same deal on the 30-year. Up 23 ticks now after rejecting lower price. Has lighter volume. We're at 144.15, and that 30-year wants to get up and over the October 15th swing point. King dollar. King dollar is over its highs. Pretty amazing. It's up 344.48 ticks today. 89.82. What's amazing about that, too, folks, is that the metal market is not getting croaked, and King dollar is at all-time highs for the last 7 years. Euro down 61, trading at 122.26, and the yen is up 62 at 119.46. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We have quad witching out here today. We already had the options on the futures expire at the open out here on the SPX futures. The S&P, the SPX right now is at 2074. The high is 2079. That's going to get tested, folks, I suspect next week. 3 days, bottom line has just come up from a price point of 1973, 100 S&P points. If we take a look at the SPY, what you have with the SPY, that baby wants to get tested up at the high also. Actually, the SPY is right at the high. The high is 208.47. We've hit 207.16. And what you do have in the SPY, folks, is also this. You're actually pushing on the weekly bars with volume. Yeah, the daily right now, there's some, well, here, let's go one by one. SPY is pushing on that swing point with volume. So that's saying, number one, you're going to get up to the swing point. Number two, it very well may bust the swing point. If it busts the swing point with volume, what you're going to see, that'll be an ABC up. That'll be a mind blower, but that's what it would be, because we came down last week with 700. Let's see, you actually get a lower low. Yeah, you're actually down with volume. So it's not an ABC up, even on the weekly. But you're pushing with the volume. You push with volume, bottom line, it can get higher. Dow Industrials. Go take a look at the Dow Industrials. What you have with the Dow Industrials is this. Dow Industrials right now are at up 65 bucks, 17,843. That had 991 as the high, so that baby is another 150 bucks to get up into that level. Nasdaq Composite. We take a look at the composite. Composite right now is at 4772. The high is 4810. And what we will have coming into the close now, it looks like the composite won't have the juice behind the move. Well, no, that's going to have it too. Well, it's going to be a big volume here. We're already at 1.6 billion rather on the NASDAQ composite. On the NYSE, you're at 924 million. So that means the NYSE is going to come in at about 1.5 billion. We're going to take a look at the gold contract. Gold contract, now this is even with the dollar at highs, which is pretty impressive. Gold contract, sideways move out here today, really hasn't done anything. We're at 1196.30. Bonds. The ever-ready bond market, folks, just refuses to back off. The 30-year bond, the 10-year bond, first off, got down to 126.09. Had volume of 710,000 contracts, which is really light. Rejected that lower level. That's saying, number one, you're going after the swing point from Tuesday, which is 128.12, and I suspect what we're going to have here on the 10-year, that hasn't hit the 30-year yet. The 30-year is the 129.28. I mean, October 15th, rather. The 30-year. Now, the 30-year had already gone up, tested the high. That was a 100% move of a move. And the 30-year, folks, is set up. This is going to be a mind blower because the 30-year looks to be set up to get into the 155 area. Right now, we're at 144.14. That came down today to 143.03. Has 220,000 contracts, and that's dramatically lighter volume, coming into a swing point, rejecting the swing, getting back inside a range, and that is saying that rates are going to continue to go down and higher prices going up. Now, the 10-year is at 2.169, which is just a total mind blower. So that means that if you're out there getting mortgage money, you should be getting mortgage money at 3.95 or 3.9. Nice deal. It's going to get cheaper, but bottom line, I wouldn't be waiting for it to get cheaper. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Some of the high-volume stocks in this market. You have Bank of America right now up 11 cents. You got Facebook up $1.42. Transocean Rig is up 148. You got Wells Fargo down 41. Allied Financial is up 62. The government's out of Allied Financial now. We take a look at some of the Dow stocks. This is what you have in the Dow stocks. American Express is flat. You got ExxonMobil up 165. 3M is up 18. If we do go over to that oil contract, you're going to see what you have with oil is this. The headline news numbers that oil is up 5%. Big deal. It's like oil has crashed, folks, okay? You're going to get some dead cat bounce out of this. 5% is $3. Oil still can't get out of its way. The low out here in this contract today was 54.42. The high was 58. Right now you're trading out at 57.89. That's after coming straight down from 101. You know, oil's going to need a lot more juice to get up and over the trading of the last few days. It absolutely has no juice today. You know, even though it has the price going for it, but the juice just isn't in there. Yesterday, what you had is this. We did a price spread yesterday of $5. We went from 59.04, ended up closing at 54.36. You did 454,000 contracts. Today, you only did 340,000 contracts. It's trying to get up into that level once again. We go to the XLE. Now, the XLE had come down hard. You're getting a nice bounce off the XLE, but that's a dead cat bounce. XLE had come down from $100, went into 72, 74 rather. No, 72, 72.51. And then what you had is this. You get off the low. First day, Wednesday it did 62 million shares, not bad. Thursday, 52 million. Today, you're at 31. What are you doing? Bottom line, you're going into 69 million. That's a dead cat bounce. That little baby, you know, can, yes, get up to like 82. 82 would be a beautiful short position, actually. But that's all that you have happening with that. That's XLE, that's a market that went down in an incredible sense and is getting a bounce going. If we look at the largest weighting structure inside the XLE, it's ExxonMobil. And what ExxonMobil had done, it was going down to test the October 17th lows. That had 105 million, and we just tested that with 117 million. So what that means is that it's going to be back down at those levels. Pretty intense. That's the first part. The second part is actually larger, and what the second part would be is that what you've done now is you've opened up for ExxonMobil to get down to 79 because you've come down twice. So the first time was October 15th. You come off a high of 104. You get down to 86. Monster volume, 105 million. It does a counter-trend bounce, goes from 86 up to 97. At 97, you have 50 million. So watch. You get down with 105, you go up with 50. See ya. Don't want to be ya. You come back down from 97 to 86 with 99 million. This week you get to a lower low with 117 million. What that is doing right there is that is building more cause to break through this whole level and to get down to its next trading level, which is at 77. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. Dow Industrials up 75. NASDAQ up 26. S&P's up 12.5. You have gold up $1.30. Silver's up 12 cents. Bonds, you get the 10-year up 6 ticks. 30-year up 22. We're going to be right back, folks.